Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to look at all the major improvements and fixes of Beas Manufacturing 2025.11. Some of the main focus areas of development of Beas for the second half of 2025 are the implementation of the very first Beas AI Assistant, the integration of the Web Apps terminal in the SAP Web solution with a new web client, simple automatizations, and web apps usability. In this version, we have covered improvements in these areas, and enhanced MRP filtering logic, forecast calculation improvement, added new field groups in the SAP integrated Beas web client, and several performance improvements in the Beas AI Assistant, production cockpit, work order structure, and pull report. Let's see all these in detail. In our previous 2025.09 version, we implemented the integration of the Beas web terminal in the SAP web solution. The scope of integration covers new Beas web app tiles in the extensions menu of the SAP web solution, and Beas features inside SAP functionalities in this example. The first tile is a direct link that navigates to the Beas web terminal, and the second one opens the Beas inventory history web app. In the Beas web client extension, the advanced production section has been extended by the addition of most of the fields that existed in the SAP Business One desktop version. In the tab, the following groups have been added for the 2025.11 release. In versions prior to Beas 2025.09, you could define a filter for items. This filter was mainly a display filter. Accordingly, the filter affected mainly which items were shown in the order recommendation. Only the From to Item filter reduced the amount of calculation data in some parts of the calculation. In a few cases, the result may have been incorrect because some related information was missing. Now the concept has changed. The filter defined in the MRP scenario is now a setting for calculation and also for the result view. Based on the defined filters, Beas will determine all items that are necessary for the calculation. This means it is possible that the system adds further items to the calculation if they are related to the item range defined in the filter. Please note, the option Apply Filter in Calculation, introduced in 2025.09 therefore is no longer necessary and has been removed in Beas 2025.11. To identify which items are included additionally, we introduced a new column in the order recommendation list, named Direct Items. The new column shows direct items, meaning the items defined in the filter, and indirect items, meaning all entries related to the items from the filter. In the MRP wizard, you can set the coverage calculation priority to by document or by date. For the option by date, we have changed the way forecasts are handled in calculations. In the past, forecasts were always taken into account at the end, regardless of their required date. Now, coverage is considered in the correct time. This year, we improved the work order structure list by significantly reducing the time to expand and collapse the BOM if the BOM had many entries. Now we optimized the Expand All function, which, even after the improvement for the BOM, still was a little bit slow in case of large item structures. In the example on the right, the time reduced to 1/6 of the previous time. In this benchmark test, you can see that the time to expand a complete work order with many entries reduced from almost 11 seconds to less than 2 seconds. Additionally, the 64-bit version is about 20% faster than the 32-bit version. We introduced the Beas AI Assistant in our 2025.09 version of Beas. In the November version now, we've implemented several improvements. Now, with every new message sent to the assistant, the window will be automatically scrolled down to see the AI response. When requesting some information from the database, you will also have the possibility to execute the query to see the current results. By default, only a table will be shown unless you request the query. When creating a work order, a time receipt, or a goods receipt or issue document with the AI bot, now you will have a direct access button to open and check the data of the created document. Additionally, we have introduced more fields and options to create the documents. The creation of the pool list took a long time when the database had large amounts of data. Now the process of retrieving data is optimized and the list is generated in a fraction of the time it used to take. The optimization is mainly done for MS SQL, but also the execution time in HANA is reduced. Additionally, the column shortage is not displayed anymore if the setting Pool Report with Material Check is disabled. This concludes our introduction to the 2025.11 version of Beas Manufacturing. According to our release roadmap, our next version will be 2026.02 to be released at the end of February 2026. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much and please stay tuned for our upcoming videos.